Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about another Spark 143 model, and it's the 1998 number 28 Toyota GT1. In 1998, Toyota came back to the top level of motorsport at Le Mans with three beautiful TS020 GT1s. After the demise of Group C racing in 1994, Toyota was looking to get back into the top class and shoot for their first overall victory, something they had been looking for since the mid-80s. Even though Mercedes took the pole for the race, the number 28 Toyota was close behind, with the other two cars 7th and 8th. At the start of the race, the Mercedes and Toyota are hard charging towards the first corner. Mercedes gets his elbows out and holds position, but there's drama right at the start. And because of this, we see the consequences early on. The number 35 Mercedes, which has been leading for the first hour, pulls off track with mechanical issues, and the number 28 Toyota takes the lead. But it's not too far into the race when it sees problems. Front brake failure leading into the Ford chicane, barely missing the wall and an oncoming GT car. It pulls into the pits to investigate the problem. It's a long stop. 13 minutes go by and they lose the lead of the race. After doing some small pit work, the number 28 car pulls out and does one lap to shake the car down. It goes back into the pits for more work. This sends the number 29 car into the lead, with two Porsches following close behind. 8 hours into the race, the car is feeling pressure from the Porsches and has gearbox issues coming into the Mulsanne corner. 16 hours into the race, the sun is up and the two Porsches are in the lead, but they come in with small mechanical issues. But the number 29 Toyota is there to reclaim the lead. And within the closing hours of the race, the number 29 Toyota is forced to retire with gearbox issues. Both Toyotas retire and Porsche ends up winning. And here is the number 28 Toyota GT1 that qualified second in the race. It's in an all-gray box with a big fat Spark logo on the back. The sides are open, so we can just slide it out. And this is probably one of the most amazing liveries in my collection. I just can't get over seeing it in person. A red car sitting on a white base with these incredible jagged white stripes going all over the top. It is one of the most striking cars to see in person. The first time I saw a Toyota GT1 was during the 1999 Le Mans race on television, and I thought they were cool back then, but they do not hold a candle to this 98 car. I mean, it is just so amazing to see. I absolutely love it. This might be my favorite car in the collection. And even though it was forced to retire, it's still a work of art. The drivers on this car were Martin Brundle, Eric Hillary, and Emmanuel Collard. And I cannot wait to display this on the wall with everything else. It's going to stand out. It might be the car that stands out the most. So here it is, the 1998 Toyota GT1 number 28 that qualified second on the pole, had a retirement, but it just looks incredible. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I got a lot more Spark models to unbox, and we're going to be uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.